Hi everyone, this is Gagajoy, Gagajoys Cooking. I'm glad you dropped in on us today. It's a pretty day outside and it's just one of those enjoyable days that we enjoy around here. It's a little bit cold, but we'll take the cold as long as we have the sunshine. Today we're going to be doing penne and chicken. And you know, it's one of my recipes. I don't make hard recipes because I can't make hard recipes. And we start off with a stick of butter. Let that be melting. And I have the Gorgonzola cheese. That's my take on it anyway. Parmesan, garlic, cream of chicken, and half and half. And that's about it. And I'm going to start my water for my penne to start cooking. And this is one of those recipes that you can cook and maybe save, eat, and then save a little bit for the next day. It's one of those, penne is always one of those good pastas that it's very savable, I guess you might say. A pound of chicken. I just cut it up in little pieces. And it's probably, you can shred it, cut it, just do what your family likes. I use the chicken tenders. Actually, they're easier to cut and they're cheaper. I don't know why. You'd think they'd be more expensive. I do try to cut that little piece of fat out when I can. Let's put some pepper on it to start with. It's a way to start. Let's cook our salt. And let's put plenty of salt in our penne water. So we're on our way. Some people are having bad weather, and this is really unusual in this part of the country. We'll take what we can get, though, won't we? Well, I've got my chicken pretty well cooked. Now to this, I'm going to add about a tablespoon or teaspoon of garlic. I know you don't want a whole lot of garlic, you just a little bit extra. So we'll go with 2 teaspoons. I think that would like it. Okay. Now I'm putting 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Now the chicken is done. It's good and done. And it's just chicken, garlic, salt, pepper. Before I put that, I want to put my penne in here. So it'll be cooking while we're finishing up. So, let's get our cream of chicken in here. Good rich flavor. Because we don't count the calories in this kind of a dish. Nah, they don't mean nothing. This is a calorie-less dish. So I'm sure you believe that word of that. Let's put a little bit of milk in it. Well, it's not milk, it's half and half to make it a little bit thinner. Okay, we'll cook our penne about 8 minutes. And while we're doing this, I think I'll order sage to it. It smells so good now. With the chicken and the sage. I'm pretty sure I have enough salt. Yep, it's good. A lot of good salt. And the penne will be done in about 4 more minutes. Okay, here comes the good part. Our penne's done. The chicken and sauce are just perfect. Look at that. We may even want to add some more milk to it after we put it in. Oh, here's our penne. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put all of it in here. Give me more room. Put the penne in. And now we're going to add one of the cheeses. Wrap it up a little bit. Oh gosh, I can't wait for this. Okay. And here goes our cheese. Now, I'm putting about 3/4 of a cup. If you want to add more of the cheese, you know, I think I'm actually going to put a little bit more milk in this so to give us a little bit more liquid. Because, you know, with pasta, it is going to dry up a little bit. Now, let's put our topping. And of course, our Parmesan cheese. Linda, hand me this bowl right there, that flat bowl with the red pepper in it. Yeah. My sweet friend's with me today. I told her I think I'll hire her for my sous chef. Well, if that isn't good, nothing could ever be good again in the world. See, it's pretty. Let's go eat. That's what we plan on doing. Let's put a little bit more Parmesan cheese on it. Well, it's been a wonderful day. I've enjoyed this. I've been wanting pasta for a while, so we'll have plenty of pasta for this afternoon. And remember to subscribe, ring that bell. Have a good week, and remember the joy, and remember the people that are hurting this week. Take care. See you soon.